My dear students, today we will be discuss about the type of capacitors. The capacitors type of three. First, parallel plate capacitor. Second, spherical capacitor, and third, cylindrical capacitor. First, we discuss about the parallel plate capacitor. This is the capacitor which is used most commonly. The parallel plate capacitor consists by the two thin conducting plates P and Q held at a certain distance small d each other. The first conductor connected with the electric source and second conductor is grounded. When the electric source given the plus Q charge of the insulating plate P, the charge uniformly spread throughout the surface of plate P, and due to the electric induction, the equal negative charge appears on the inner surface of plate Q and equal positive charge appears on the outer surface plus Q. The outer surface of plate Q connected with the earth, the electron flow from the earth gets neutral of the outer face of plate Q. If the plus Q uniformly spread throughout the surface of plate P, then surface density of charge small sigma is equal to Q by A, and the surface density of plate Q small sigma is equal to minus Q by A. We know an electric field set up between plate P and Q. You know, an electric field set up between plate P and Q of direction from plus to minus charge. Then E is equal to small sigma upon epsilon naught. We know the electric field due to the uniformly charges plate E is equal to small sigma upon epsilon naught, or E is equal to Q by A into epsilon naught. The electric potential between plate P and Q from E is equal to V by D, or V is equal to E into D. Take an equation 2. Put the value of put the value of E in equation second, we get V is equal to Q upon A into epsilon naught into small d. The capacitance of parallel plate capacitor from C is equal to Q by V. Put the value of V as C is equal to A into epsilon naught upon D. It is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Next, relative permittivity or dielectric constant. The relative permittivity or dielectric constant may be defined as the ratio of capacitor of a capacitance and the capacitance of a capacitor in space to the capacitance of the same capacitor in a medium. फिर एक बार ध्यान से कि the relative permittivity or dielectric constant may be defined as the ratio of capacitance of a capacitor in space or air to the capacitance of same capacitor in a medium. That we know the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor in space C is equal to A into epsilon naught upon D. If the parallel plate capacitor held in a medium of dielectric constant is K. Cm C0 suppose space करें. Cm is the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor in medium. Cm is equal to K into A into epsilon naught upon D. Take in equation 1 and 2. Divide the equation 2 and 1. Cm upon C naught is equal to K into A epsilon naught upon D into D by A into epsilon naught, or Cm upon C naught is equal to K. Is K a dielectric constant or relative permittivity, or Cm is equal to K into C naught.